Hey everybody, so we are, well, I'm back home trying to get this phone to stand up. Okay. And I am done for the day. Dinner is in the oven, ready to go. I just wanted to do this quick review really quick because I got this and I don't remember what I ordered. I actually got carried away ordering with this whole corona stuff going on. Hope everybody is washing their hands and keeping their masks on and stuff, you know, because God forbid we go to the store without a mask. I don't remember what this is, but I can't get it open. Thought it was gonna be something easy just to open, but it's not. I don't want to tear it. Whew. So now that I kind of peeked at it, I had to change the filter because you wouldn't be able to see what it is. It's Cara Beauty, and they were eyeshadow palettes. This, I don't remember. Oh, it's a lipstick. I guess they gave me this lipstick. I'll look at it right now. But these eyeshadow palettes, I fell in love with them. In case you didn't know, my favorite color is green. So anything having to do with green, pretty dope. So my first palette was a green palette. That was like hands down. I was indecisive on which ones I was gonna pick. And I said, you know what? I'm just gonna order all of them. So I ordered all of them. So here they are. And yes, they're weed plants. And that was eye grabber for me, of course. Well, if you know, then you know. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you, buddy. This one's called Girl Scout. Pretty dope. Open this. Ooh, you slide it. Same thing. Ooh. So these are, ooh, the colors. I haven't put it down. These are so pretty. I can't wait to use Pothead and Weed, of course. Mary Jane. These are awesome. Alright, let's try the next one. Orange or purple? Orange or purple? Let's do purple. If you do not bump Kevin Gates, you should probably check him out. I like his music. It's really good. I like it. This one is called Purple Haze.
Takes longer to feel the high, but when the high kicks in, it kicks in.